video I'm going to show you how to align using RPS. I already have a instrument connected and the CAD model. So all you have to do is go to the Alignment tab, hit RPS, hit the plane for a projection and select the circles. Simply click in the CAD file, also selected. You need to measure the projection plane. Circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. Need to make sure the Z is selected. Hit the run. Everything's green. There's my measured data, and then simply hit align to fit. There we go. And now we're aligned to the CAD model. Thank you much.